For those of you who are interested in videotaping yourselves and don't want to go to a lot of different GoPros, I thought I'd put this together just to show you the best view for evaluating your team and studying the video and getting better. This is the view on a GoPro mounted above the large op, and I think it provides the best view of the whole team from an ergonomic learning point of view. You can zoom in on areas from this location and refine a lot of the finer nuances to assisting, and the doctor can critique their performance as well and really check on their ergonomic motions. So this view is, I think, the best view because it gives a view of the assistant cart, the doctor's cart, and both team members working together. So if you're planning on doing this, I would start with this view, and it enables you to really evaluate and improve your teamwork because you can really see everything here. So I hope this helps in choosing the location for your first GoPro. If you're only going to use GoPro, this is the view that I would use. And in any of the editing softwares, you can zoom in and you can put things in slow motion, and that really helps. Like a golfer that looks at their stroke in slow motion, or a skater, or anyone, any athlete that examines their performance and wants to improve, learns to zoom in, do things in slow motion, go back and forth to really critique your motion and improve. So I hope this helps in choosing the location for your first GoPro.